Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's struggled with dry, distressed skin, you're likely on the lookout for a body lotion that can really make a difference. Today, we're talking about something that could change your skincare routine, the Adamia Therapeutic Repair Lotion. If you want healthier, softer skin, stick around. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time to do so, and hit that bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. The Adamia Therapeutic Repair Lotion is a dermatologist-tested, fragrance-free formula designed to replenish and deeply moisturize dry and distressed skin. It's packed with Macadamia Nut Oil, which is rich in omega-7 and works in tandem with a dual replacement therapy to nourish the skin on a deeper level. What I love about this product is that it's free from parabens, fragrances, GMOs, soy, and gluten. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and non-allergenic, so it's suitable for pretty much all skin types, even sensitive skin. Let's talk about what makes this lotion really stand out. One of its key features is its ability to mimic the skin's natural oils. That means it's absorbed quickly without leaving any greasy residue behind, something I'm sure many of you can appreciate. I've used a ton of lotions in the past that left me feeling slick and uncomfortable, but not this one. The texture is lightweight and it blends seamlessly into the skin. In my real-world testing, I've used this lotion after showering and throughout the day. It was incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine, and I really felt like it gave my skin the nourishment it was craving. You know how sometimes lotions can feel like they just sit on top of the skin? This didn't do that. It penetrates deep thanks to the macadamia oil, leaving my skin feeling soft and hydrated without any heaviness. And bonus points, it didn't leave a sticky feeling either, which is a huge win in my book. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is clean and gentle, which is perfect if you have sensitive skin or if you prefer to avoid artificial ingredients. The lotion absorbs quickly, and I noticed that it kept my skin moisturized throughout the day without the need for constant reapplication. Plus, it doesn't have any scent, which is great if you have fragrance sensitivities or simply prefer unscented skincare. On the downside, while it's great for daily hydration, it might not be rich enough for those with extremely dry or cracked skin looking for something heavier or more intensive. If you're dealing with very severe dryness, you might need something with a thicker, more occlusive texture. When it comes to value for money, I think Adamia is priced fairly for what you get. The 16-ounce bottle is definitely on the higher end of the price scale, but considering how well the product performs and the fact that it's packed with high-quality ingredients like macadamia oil and omega-7, I think it's worth the investment for anyone looking for a clean, effective body lotion. There are alternatives out there, of course, but few that combine both a clean, soothing formula and deep hydration. Some similar products, like CeraVe's moisturizing cream, are also highly recommended for dry skin, but they often contain more filler ingredients. Adamia stands out because of its exclusive dual replacement therapy, which makes it ideal for anyone with distressed skin. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and functional. Nothing too flashy, but the pump bottle makes it easy to use, and I appreciate the practical design. The lotion itself absorbs quickly, and I found it to last a long time on the skin, which speaks to its efficacy and overall formula. Now, I know a lot of you might be wondering about customer support and whether this brand is responsive to queries. I didn't have direct experience with Adamia's customer service, but the brand's reputation is solid. They have a history of being customer-focused, and their cruelty-free and eco-friendly stance shows they care about more than just making a sale. If you're thinking about alternatives, there are some affordable options like the Vanicream Moisturizing Lotion or the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion, both of which are great for sensitive skin and dry patches, though they don't have the luxurious feel of macadamia oil or the targeted dual replacement therapy found in Adamia. In conclusion, if you're looking for a clean, non-greasy body lotion that deeply hydrates and soothes dry skin without a heavy fragrance or irritating additives, Adamia Therapeutic Repair Lotion is definitely worth considering. It's particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin or anyone who wants a simple yet effective lotion for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in trying Adamia for yourself, The link to purchase is right below in the comments. If you've used this lotion or any of their other products, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.